Hey everyone, welcome to the not review of the Sakura Minamoto Nendo. Yeah, we'll get to that. That will be out shortly, and hopefully actually will be up here if I remember to do it. You'll see that pop up, or if you don't, well, I forgot. But yeah, this is not the review of Sakura here. Instead, well, there's this Sakura here does come with a little extra thing, namely the truck. Which I'm going to get the paper out here. Yeah, a papercraft version of the truck from the anime, if you've watched it. If you haven't watched the anime, well, the spoiler alert, within the first few minutes of the anime, Sakura here gets hit by a truck and well, then comes back as a zombie. Hence the name, Zombieland Saga. But yeah, it comes with a papercraft truck. I'm going to go ahead and try to build it here on the on video. Hopefully I don't screw it up. If I do, well, you'll never see this. And I will know it exists. So yeah, it's 3 pieces. It's papercraft. Hopefully I don't mess it up. And thankfully they're already punctured, so I'm going to go ahead and just get them out of the paper now. And hopefully don't tear anything. That's nice. Nice perforation there. No, it's not too difficult to get it out, thankfully. That's good. All right, that's one out. Look at this one out. And there we go. Yeah, I've done build videos before, as you know. Nothing like papercraft. I've thought about doing papercraft before, but have yet to actually do it until now. This is pretty simple stuff. Although I'm seeing, at least I'm hearing, relatively simple. So someone said, I remember seeing someone say, this was really hard to get together. I'm like, uh-oh. Hope it wasn't. I'm just gonna get these pre-punched out. Yeah, I don't know. These ones right here just don't seem to be as punched out as well on the bottom and top there. And there we go. Okay, that's the next piece out. And I guess this is a little, toolbox and a box that go in the back of the truck. And the instructions are on this one as well. I think I said that. But yeah, I really like Zombieland Saga. I really like it a lot. I think it's my favorite anime from 2018. Yeah, it came out in 2018. Wow, been a while. But yeah, I really do like it. It's a really funny one. I would highly recommend seeing it if you haven't already. I mean, I did technically spoil it, but I mean, like, it's not. I mean, I just spoiled like literally the first bit of it, and it's not a huge deal, honestly. Okay, so you got the folds. Okay, folding it, folding. All right, gotta line it all up. It's the thing. Of course, the instructions are Japanese. I don't know. They're probably telling me something I'm supposed to do as well. I don't know if I'm supposed to use glue or what. I'm supposed to use glue. Well, I can get some real quick, but I'm sure I have the right kind of glue for this sort of thing. Yeah. Yeah, Zombieland Saga is great. It's my favorite character is Tai. I'm really hoping they actually do release a Tai figure. Nendo, Figma, whichever. I will be happy, I think, if I just can get a Tai figure. Because she's my favorite one. I think she's a lot of people's favorite ones. Although, for some people, it's because she's the meme, I guess. She's the... Yeah, I think you might be supposed to have to use glue for this. Because most of the papercraft I've seen is like, there's, the... Once you fold it all together, it's supposed to be, it just tucks in somewhere, and this does not appear to tuck in anywhere, which alarms me that I'm probably doing this wrong. Yeah, I think there's supposed to be a spot of glue or something. Because I'm seeing that on the instructions, all these folds are like highlighted in yellow. See, I think you're supposed to glue it once you got it all positioned. I'm just gonna sit here and keep folding stuff until like kind of more or less comfortably in the correct position for me. I find, you know, more or less in the correct position, because I don't want to accidentally drag glue around and go whoops. Right, that more or less, that's folded out of the back of the truck. That's not too bad. Right, okay, that makes sense. This folds up, that folds. And most of the paper craft I've seen is like not supposed to use glue, but I think this stuff doesn't. This in fact does use glue. Oop. At least it seems like it, because I'm seeing something. I just wish I could read it. I'm gonna have to probably whip out the phone and do some translating with, you know, Google. And this is the weird one, just because of the nature of it. This didn't fold quite across the proper area. Yep. Yeah, in case you don't know, which you might not, I don't know, I do a little podcast on anime called New to Weeaboo. It's basically, well, two people who are, well, new to this whole weeb anime nonsense. Kind of new anyway, and regularly watch it and talk about just random anime we picked. Zombieland Saga was the first one we did, way back a year ago now. We've at this point we're monthly for all of 2019, but now we're going bi-weekly as of this month. At least hopefully this month, if this gets released in January. If I release in February, then well, it's last month. Anyway, yeah, we're about as of this recording, about to release episode 13, which will be actually Sailor Moon, the original, the first anime, not the Crystal one right now. So, you know, if you're interested in anime, you want to hear the perspective of two doofuses, there you go. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's more or less folded in the correct way. Then you got the box here, which, okay, yeah, it's just a box. Yeah, okay, I see. It really is literally a box. It is literally a cardboard box. Oh, that tore. That's weird. That's incorrectly. Oh, that's on the inside at least. So, not the end of the world, but a little frustrating that happened. Get these pre-folded. Get it all pre-folded just to get an idea. All right, yeah, that's a box, but not as it is. But I'll get the glue and I'll be right back. Right, so I don't have any Elmer's glue, so I have to use super glue, which means I gotta be really, really careful about how I do this. You know, this stuff. So that's what I got. So if I screw up, that's kind of it, really. It means once it's screwed up forever. So I gotta be really careful about how I do this. Be really careful. All right. Let's go ahead and get this done. And just a dab of it. Something stripped out. Oh, just a glue flake. Okay. Small dab. They say to use a toothpick apparently on the instructions, at least from what Google Translate told me. But this stuff, the way you apply it is so... Okay, dab. And then... stick. And that stuck pretty well. This stuff also dries pretty quick, which is good and bad. Okay, I did get some on there. I think. Yeah, I did. I definitely got some on there. I don't know, because my thumb stuck for a second. All right. And then I'm trying to put very small droplets on, but of course it smears like crazy when I... Gonna put another droplet on just to... All right, little tiny drops, because they don't need a whole lot. All right. Once again, tiny droplet. Right, tiny droplet, and then try to get it on without smearing and messing it all up. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, got some on my finger, all right. Yeah, it's one side done. Okay, I'm gonna try to get all three of these at once, just because that seems a little easier than trying to individually at one at a time, like it was earlier. Because otherwise, it's like, okay, it won't start drying for a little bit. Okay, that might have been a little too much, but yeah, I got some on there. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, I just touched it. Trying to get in there. Real quick, I should have done this one as well. All right. That actually wasn't too bad. See, that's the first half. The front half of Truck-kun. Yeah, it even has the little smashed windshield from when, well, Sakura smacked it. Smacked it good. Yeah, this one I gotta be a little more careful about, I think. Gotta make sure all these folds are good. Because otherwise they can go bad. Ah, see, that's interesting. This stuff is supposed to attach to the front of the truck, so that's going to be a little... I'm going to assemble this. Yeah, see, that's the thing. I noticed that this color coding. This you do second, so you don't do that until you have to get all the rest of it done, so you don't like not sitting there trying to... Yeah. That'd be bad. Okay. Okay. I'll get this one... 2 drops, and fold underneath. Couple drops. Yeah, that sticks really good. Thanks, Gorilla Glue. Although that's slightly off kilter. Not the end of the world, but a little frustrating. Yeah, these blue bits are all supposed to be glued together separately. Okay. Yeah, got some on there, and some on here. All right. Try not to touch it. Fold underneath. Yeah, I tore that up a little. I messed up. But no problem. Glue can solve this. Hope. Yep. There we go. Okay. Oh, that case already got undone. That's annoying. So we can get some more glue in there. Okay, this is going to be a little trickier, I feel. Just a little trickier. Just a little bit. I might actually add some glue in that spot too. Yeah, that might be a good idea to go ahead and get some glue there just to get those nice and solidified. Yeah, that way they're not coming apart. Yep. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the best way to put this together. I think I'm going to go ahead and top and then just bring it down. So I'm going to get this top part glued first. Like that, and then just line that up and oh, yep. Yep, I'm going to be tearing paper just a little bit. Because I messed that up. Just a tiny bit. Thankfully, that's not the only connection spot, or else this might be a little tenuous, but okay. That is done. Right there, that top part. Now it's a matter of getting this stuff all folded up properly so it can actually be a truck, which I'm going to try to do all at once. Oop. I'm going to have to re-glue that. For whatever reason, the glue there just didn't hold that very well in the first place. And still not holding very well. Something about that spot on the paper, just the glue is not, yeah, the glue's not adhering there. That's really weird. Okay, let's try that again. Well, that's sticking that time. All right, and the truck is more or less done. It's just, oh, that came undone. Strange and annoying. And looking like some of the glue just didn't hold like it should have. Yeah, I might have to do some touch-ups after this. Yeah, there's the truck. That's pretty straightforward. But yeah, okay, this one's going to be a lot of tiny little ones. That's going to be a little annoying. I'm going to try to get one panel at a time. One side of the box done. Yep. Yeah, that was the thing. It's like, I watched this anime, I knew it was like about zombies and stuff. I just didn't know how it was about zombies and whatnot. And I thought it was actually going to be genuinely like somewhat serious, like, you know, zombie apocalypse. Well, not serious, obviously. I saw some stuff about it. I thought it was going to be like a zombie apocalypse type scenario, not zombies become idols. And then, but still, even knowing that, just that first scene with just Sakura there, just being hit by this truck, just shocked me. I was like, what? What's going on? All right. And it was pretty metal, I guess, like literally, like they went and has squealing guitars and everything on that one. I didn't really, there we go. Ha. Fingers are sticking a little bit here and there. Right. There's the box. Apparently it's supposed to, it's kind of weirdly curved. I'm not sure if that's, I did something wrong or what, but anyway, that's the box, and I think it's supposed to, yeah, it looks like it's supposed to sit like this in the back. Okay, yep, because that's the lid. That gray bit's the lid. So then it's the cardboard box. Paper wrap's kind of neat, but it's also one of those things that's like, I don't know if I want to get into it. Like, you know, it doesn't last forever because, well, it's literally made of paper. It's not durable. It can be difficult and time consuming. But it's kind of a nice thing to do. I like kind of building stuff. The problem is I like building stuff, but I don't like keeping it around afterwards. Yep. I mean, almost if I really wanted to, I'd almost want to get like cut little tiny strips of tape and use that instead of glue for this part, just because of the nature of it. But nope, we're gonna instead we're gonna use glue because that's what I got. Ow. Yeah, I'm leaving a bit of residue. I'm gonna be leaving residue on this thing. Woo. Okay, yeah, I didn't quite do that straight, but it's a box. You're supposed to be able to see into it just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it on these flaps instead because of. There's a bug in here. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, I would recommend watching this anime a lot if you haven't already. Second season's already been confirmed. That, and also, you know, just shameless personal plug. Just to also, I just recommend watching or listening to our episode on it. Again, it's called New to Weeaboo. You can find it. It's also linked on my channel off to the side. If you want to check that out. Why not? Yep. That's the truck. Papercraft truck. It's not too bad, all things considered. I thought it was going to be worse than yeah, I was under the impression someone said it was going to be pretty bad to build. That wasn't too bad. It took me a little longer than I thought. Well, but that's because I'm doing it in front of a camera. But yeah, it's not too bad. I like building it. It's a nice little bonus, Says, she was, running out to. That's right. She was running out to, do her idle application. And I don't know. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a nice little bonus. I like it a lot. It's it's not the most amazing papercraft, but and I didn't do the most amazing job on it, but it's a nice little bonus. I like that they did it. It's like I'm so shocked they did that. So there you go. Truck-kun. That was fun. I hope you check out the review as well. The review will be out shortly, if it's not out already, of Sakura here in particular, and now I can actually do it proper because I have built this, and yeah, it's a fun little build. Not the most amazing, but it's fun. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I wasn't too quiet during most of it. I know sometimes I think I got a little into just gluing, but I wasn't too boring on this one. I know I haven't done a whole lot of build videos. I'm still trying to work out how to do it the best. But yeah, I hope you found not informative, but entertaining. And yes, remember, follow this. The green stars means do green stars first on these pieces, and then blue stars second. And use glue on the starred bits so you can actually do it properly. So just an FYI. That's it. Again, hope you enjoyed, and I hope you check out the review, and hope you check out my other reviews, and check out my podcast. Again, it's called New to Weeaboo. I know I am being shameless on this, but whatever. So, until next time, see ya!